Most men avoid talking about it. Some pretend it's not happening. Others convince themselves that it's just a normal part of aging, something they have to accept. But here's the truth. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is not an inevitable consequence of getting older. It's a warning sign. What if I told you that your body is trying to send you a message? That those moments of difficulty in the bedroom aren't just about your age, but about your overall health, your hormones, and your lifestyle. The reality is that ED affects over 50% of men in their 50s and 60s, and that number jumps to 70% after 70, according to research from the Cleveland Clinic. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. In many cases, ED is preventable, reversible, and even completely fixable with the right approach. So today, we're going to uncover the real reasons why erectile dysfunction happens after 50, what it means for your body, and most importantly, what you can do to improve it naturally without relying solely on pills. Stick with me, because the truth might surprise you. A lot of men think that ED is simply a consequence of aging, but that's only part of the story. While testosterone levels naturally decline with age, the biggest factor behind ED is actually your vascular health. An erection is, at its core, a blood flow event. Your arteries need to open up and supply blood to the penis. If those blood vessels are narrowed, clogged, or damaged, the result is weaker, inconsistent, or non-existent erections. Here's what's happening inside your body. Over time, plaque builds up in the arteries due to poor diet, high cholesterol, and inflammation. The arteries leading to the penis are smaller and more delicate than those leading to the heart. This means that ED is often one of the first signs of cardiovascular disease. If your arteries can't deliver sufficient blood flow, getting and maintaining an erection becomes difficult. In fact, research has shown that men with ED are at higher risk of heart attacks and strokes in the next 5 to 10 years if the underlying vascular issues aren't addressed. But blood flow isn't the only culprit. There are other major factors at play, and many of them are completely under your control. Testosterone is often called the male hormone, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in sex drive, energy levels, muscle strength, and mental clarity. But after 50, testosterone levels naturally decline by about 1% per year. That might not sound like much, but here's the problem. Low testosterone reduces nitric oxide production, which is crucial for healthy blood flow and strong erections. It also lowers libido, meaning you may feel less interested in sex in the first place. Fatigue, depression, and weight gain, all linked to low testosterone. Testosterone can further impact performance. But here's the good news. You can naturally boost testosterone and improve your performance without injections or medications. The key is fixing your lifestyle, reducing stress, and optimizing your diet and exercise habits. And we'll get into that in a moment. One of the most overlooked causes of erectile dysfunction after 50 is stress and anxiety. And no, this isn't just about performance anxiety. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that directly lowers testosterone and restricts blood flow, the two things you absolutely need for a strong erection. Think about it. If your mind is constantly racing with financial worries, work stress, or relationship tension, your body stays in a state of high alert, making it difficult to relax. Poor sleep, lack of relaxation, and overworking lead to hormonal imbalances that make ED worse. The more you worry about your performance, the worse the problem gets, leading to a vicious cycle. Breaking free from this stress ED loop requires a mental and physical reset, which we'll cover shortly. But first, let's talk about the worst habits that are silently destroying your sexual health. If you've been struggling with ED, you need to take an honest look at your daily habits, because certain lifestyle choices are sabotaging your performance without you even realizing it. Here's what's making things worse. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These lead to inflammation, clogged arteries, and weight gain, all of which impair blood flow. Lack of exercise. Sitting all day and avoiding physical activity weakens circulation and reduces testosterone production. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Both of these shrink blood vessels and lower nitric oxide levels, leading to weaker erections, obesity, and belly fat. Excess fat converts testosterone into estrogen, further reducing libido and performance. But don't worry, you can reverse the damage and reclaim your vitality. Let's dive into how you can improve erectile function naturally starting today. If you want to restore strong, natural erections, the solution isn't just a blue pill. It's about transforming your body and lifestyle from the inside out. Here's how. Optimize your diet. Focus on foods that boost nitric oxide and improve blood circulation, such as leafy greens, beets, pomegranates, dark chocolate, and omega-3 rich fish. Exercise regularly. Strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, help increase testosterone and improve blood flow. Even a daily 30-minute walk can significantly reduce ED symptoms. Manage stress. Incorporate meditation, deep breathing, or relaxation techniques to lower cortisol levels and support healthy hormone production. Improve sleep. Testosterone is produced while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night and reduce screen time before bed to improve sleep quality. Lose excess weight. Shedding belly fat will increase testosterone levels and improve vascular function. Supplement smartly. Consider natural boosters like L-citrulline, ashwagandha, magnesium, and vitamin D to support testosterone and blood flow. Stop smoking and limit alcohol. These habits damage blood vessels and reduce sexual function over time. Making these changes won't just improve your erectile function, they'll enhance your overall health, energy, and confidence. Erectile dysfunction after 50 is not inevitable, and it's certainly not the end of your sex life. In most cases, it's a symptom of underlying health issues, and with the right lifestyle adjustments, you can reverse it naturally. If you're experiencing ED, don't ignore it. It's your body's way of telling you that something needs to change. Take action today. Optimize your health, boost your testosterone, improve circulation, and eliminate bad habits, and you'll see real results. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these strategies? What's worked for you? Drop a comment below and share your experience.